Welcome students. In this lecture we will see design and assembly of universal coupling part 1. So let's start. Now go for start mechanical design. Select part design. Apply OK. Now here we have to create parts of universal coupling like fork, center block, pin, collar, taper pin. Now here we will create this fork. So we will go with sketch. So this space we will create over here, we will select this plane. We will go with profile like this. Double click on this, select this. So this is 32, this is 38, and this is total from this to this center is 130. 130 minus 56 means completely it will become 112. So double click on this. This should be around 28. And this width is 32. Select this, double click on this 32, and this height of this object is completely 166 because 110 28 plus 28 166. Okay, again select this, select this should be 166 divided by 2. Go for exit workbench. Width of this object is 88, so say select pad mirror extend and give here 44. Select this. Now we have to create this kind of circular shape. Select this face, go to sketch, double click on circle, double click on this. So external one is 38 radius and internal one is 32 diameter. 38 into 2 and this is 32, and this edge we have to click and this right click tangency. Now draw a line here till here, escape, select this, go for constraint define in dialog box, apply tangency, select this and select this, right click coincident, and from this end to this end it is 32. Select this, and this, give here 32, mirror this line this direction, select this, go for this, select this, again go for profile, apply, create this kind of shape because we have to remove the material. Double click on this, go for exit workbench and say here pocket till last. This kind of shape will be achieved. Now this circular part we have to create. This is 50 and 88. Go for sketch, select this face, double click on this, double click on this, 88, 56. Now exit workbench, say pad here around 56. Now first part is completed. Now save this file, save. Now give name as 4u1, save. Now we will go for start mechanical design, part design. Okay. Now we will create second object as this center block. We will go to sketch. We will select the plane. Double click on this and we will apply the dimension. This is 32 and this is 56. Apply double click here 32 and this should be 56. Go for exit workbench. Apply here pad. Mirror extend we have to use here as 55. Now go for sketch. Select this plane. Create two circles at this location. Go for constraints. Double click on this. Apply 32. Double click on this. Apply 56. Go here from this center to this end. Apply a distance of 38. Exit workbench. Go for pad. Go for mirror extend and give value of 55. Okay. Now if we see there is a extra material in this area and there is one extra material in this area also. If you want to remove, here we will use boolean operations. Now first of all we will go for insert body and we will drag this to this. Now here we can remove this extra part by using boolean operation. In that we will use here union trim. Select this and here this dialog box will appear. Faces to remove, you have to select this one and this face. Faces to keep, you have to keep this face and this face and apply OK. So like this you can remove the material over here. Now we will save this object as center block. File, save. Now we will go for another object as pin. Go for start mechanical design. OK. This component. We will go with sketch. We will select this plane. We will take circle. Diameter of this around it is 50. Go for exit workbench. Go for pad. Give diameter as height as 12. Now select this face. Go to sketch. Create a circle of around 32 because here it is mentioned as 32 and height as 180. Exit workbench. Here we will give as 180, but we do need to create a hole at this location. This hole is located at 172 from this point to here. So we will select this plane. We will go to sketch and we will take circle exactly at center. The diameter of this hole we will assume as some around 5 and this edge to this, it from this edge to this we need to take around 172. Go for exit workbench and say here pocket both the side extension. OK. Now we will save this object as Ctrl S pin U1. Save. Now we will create collar. So we will say Ctrl N P enter part. OK. We will select sketch. We will select plane. Two circles we have to create over here. one is 50, another one is 32. Exit workbench, apply pad and mirror extend it around 6 mm. Select this plane and create a hole over here of 5 diameter. Create a circle over here. Select this, apply diameter of 5. Exit workbench. Go for hole and give some value. OK, and save this as collar U1. Again Control N, new file. OK. Now select this sketch, select this plane and create a circle over here. Give value as some around 5 mm. Exit workbench. Select the pad icon. Go for mirror extend and give this length assumption we are taking over here as 70. Save this as pin U1, taper pin U1. U1 we are giving just for understanding purpose. In next lecture, we will see design and assembly of universal coupling part 2. Thank you.